Perhaps you're under the impression that the war is over. You would be mistaken. The game has changed, but the match isn't over as long as the pieces are able to move. We may believe we have defeated them, but they're still here, closer than ever before. In our institutions, among us, stripping us of our secrets. Rockets once aimed toward the sky now point farther still, into space. Your code name will be Epsilon. You will travel to Rhea, one of Saturn's moons, to explore an abandoned science facility belonging to our enemies, Volgravia. Your mission: to infiltrate the complex, uncover the secrets of their research, and transmit them to headquarters. You will travel under hibernation in a space capsule. We will contact you again once you've reached your destination, Agent Epsilon. Good luck.
Approaching Rhea lunar orbit. Awakening Agent Epsilon. Handshaking 3, 2, 1.
Epsilon, do you read me?
Just a moment, something's wrong, sir. We're encountering some problems with the capsule on re-entry.
Engaging emergency landing protocol. Hurry! Agent Epsilon, do you copy? Epsilon, can you hear me? Christ, I hope Epsilon made it. Epsilon, if you can hear me, we need to reboot the suit's systems. Look at your hand and press the highlighted button. Wait, I'm getting something from the suit. It's alive. Epsilon made it. Epsilon, looks like your comm system is down. We can't hear you. I'm going to need you to give us your location. Look for any signs that might help to pinpoint your position. They'll be written in Volgravian, so you're going to need your translator unit. When you find the sign, just point at it and pull the trigger. Looks like the language index isn't working. The translator must have gotten damaged. Alright, I need you to reload the Volgravian basic language data drive so we can translate that sign. You'll probably have to look around for it. It should be close. To turn faster, move the right stick to either side. Alright, I need you to reload the Volgravian basic language data drive so we can translate that sign. You'll probably have to look around for it. It should be close. Alright, I need you to reload the Volgravian basic language data drive so we can translate that sign. Alright, the data drive's been uploaded. Now try to scan that sign again for me. Got it and got you. Looks like you're pretty close to the facility we're looking for. Listen, you can cycle through the suit's tools linked to your left hand and select the icon for whatever tool you want by moving the stick. To move around out here, you're going to need to use the thrusters on the suit. Let's see if they're working. Use the navigation system to search for a landing position by moving the stick forward. Once you've found somewhere to land, release it. The suit's thrusters will do the rest. Use the navigation system to search for a landing position by moving the stick forward. Once you've found somewhere to land, release it, and the suit's thrusters will do the rest. Use the navigation system to search for a landing position by moving the stick forward. Once you've found somewhere to land, release it, and the suit's thrusters will do the... Excellent! Now, we need you to find that facility, enter the underground complex, and locate those documents for us. We must have that information sent back to us, Agent. Now we're going to find a way into the underground. The information should be there.